Oh, Canada! Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another Beer of the Week video hosted by yours truly, Andy from Canada. And Canada is the important part. It's Canada Day, the most Canadian day there ever is. So for my fellow Canadians out there, I want to wish you the best Canada Day. 1867, remember that fine year? That's when Canada became its own nation. So a super prominent cultural activity is to sit back with friends and family and enjoy some beer. So have a great one for you today. This is a hazy IPA from a craft brewery in our favorite neighborhood. You guessed it, the Junction. You gotta go to the Junction. So Rainhard absolutely love this particular spot. So have a wonderful hazy I.P.A. This is called Mr. Jackpots. Already smelling those hoppy notes, but again, this is a way more approachable IPA. Hazy IPA, it's not your typical West Coast super duper hoppy ale. This is going to be a lot more approachable. The hop can be a little bit controversial. Folks on one side being like, can't get enough of those hops, and people on the other side being like, enough! Looking forward to tasting this guy, and I guess I will. Here we go. Super lovely. I'm a huge hop fan myself. The more hops, the better. However, this is done extremely well. You get those fine citrus, kind of melony taste to it. This is a really good IPA. So whatever you're doing on this Canada Day, I recommend trying a cool craft beer such as this. Grab an IPA, grab something a little bit out of your comfort zone. If you're typically a macro beer consumer, try something more local, really experiment. That's what craft beer is all about. So happy Canada Day to my fellow Canadians. I hope you're enjoying a wonderful day. Have a beer, and remember, craft beer is here.